Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is Introduction to Deobandi Elders. Let us start with Hussain Ahmad Madani. He was a Deobandi and founder of Jamiatul Ulma-e-Hind. Okay, he died in 1957, and and a bitter enemy of the Ahle-Hadees. Okay. When some Ahle-Hadees people went to Hajj with some, he wrote a letter to the governor of Makkah, Sharif Makkah. Sharif Makkah himself was a grave worshipper, Biddati Mushrik. Okay, that these Ahle Hadith people are coming, just take care of them. So what he did, he put all these Ahle Hadith people in the jail for nearly 1 year. The reason for his animosity towards the Ahle Hadith was, for this one he wrote a book called Shabab-e-Saqib, and he says, okay, these Ahle Hadith people, they don't believe that the Prophet is alive in his grave. They prevent seeking waseela of the pious peoples in supplication to Allah, and they prohibit uh, reciting the Durud Tunjina, Nanjina, and all those Durus, and they say we should not say Ya Rasulallah, and they prevent the people from reciting Khaside Burda and the Lailul Kharat. Bidati, grave worshipper, not more than that.